Hello everyone, myself Advocate Anish Kumar Singh. In this video, we are discussed today in gift deed. Gift deed is a legal document that transfers the ownership of a property or asset from one person to another person without any exchange of money. बेसिकली इस वीडियो में हम आज जानेंगे कि गिफ्ट डीड होता क्या है, उसके वैलिडिटी क्या है. A gift deed is a legal document that transfers the ownership of a property or assets from one person to another without any exchange of money. It is an instrument of transfer of property that is commonly used in India to gift a property to family member or close relatives. In this video, we will discuss the validity and structure of a gift deed in India. Validity of a gift deed. To be legally valid, a gift deed must fulfill certain legal requirements. These requirements are outlined in the Transfer of Property Act 1882 and the Indian Registration Act 1908. The key requirement for a gift deed to be valid are competition of parties. The donor and the donee must be competent to enter into a gift deed. This means that they must be of sound mind, not minors, and should have the legal capacity to transfer and receive property. Free consent. The gift must be made by the donor out of his or her free consent. This means that the donor should not be under any undue influence or coercion and should fully understand the implication of the gift. Acceptance. The gift must be accepted by the donee. Acceptance can be expressed or implied, but it must be made during the lifetime of the donor. Delivery. The gift must be delivered by the donor to the donee. Delivery can be physically constructive or symbolic, but it must be unconditionally and irrevocable. Then registration. The gift deed must be registered with the sub-registrar of assurance in the jurisdiction where the property is located. This is a mandatory requirement under Section 17 of the Indian Registration Act 1908, and failure to register the gift deed can render it invalid. And additionally to being a legal instrument of property transfer, a gift deed can also be used as a tax saving instrument in India. By gifting property to a close relatives, an individual can not only transfer the ownership of the property but also reduce their tax liabilities under the Indian Income Tax Act. Gift made by an individual to a specified list of relatives are exempt from tax. These relatives include parents, spouse, siblings, children, and lineal ascendants and descendants. Any gift made to these relatives is considered as tax-free income and is not subject to tax. Thus, if an individual gift a property to a close relative through a gift deed, they can not only transfer the ownership of the property but also reduce their taxable income. This can be especially useful in case where the property has appreciated significantly in value as the capital gain. Tax on the sale of the property can subsist. Thank you. Have a nice day.